Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet carrot appliques. I made these as Easter ideas, dear friends, crochet Easter ideas. You can sew up these appliques, your crochet creations, your bags and anything, your blankets, anything you can sew up. You can also put them to each other like this, and you can connect them to each other with a rope, and you can make crochet garlands, crochet buntings. It is really very easy. In one day you can make many, dear friends, like this. Okay, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. For this project I'm using 3mm hook. We need two different cotton yarns. This is for the carrot, this is for the leaves of the carrot. Okay, dear friends, let's start. I'm taking my orange color yarn in my hand and I am starting by making slip knot. And I am making 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After making 8 chains, we are making 2 more chains, dear friends. Meanwhile, we are keeping our finger at the 8th chain like this. 1, 2, yarn over, and I'm inserting my hook in the 8th chain, making a double crochet. Considering the first 2 chains as one double crochet, now in this 8th stitch we have 2 double crochet. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch and making 2 more double crochet in this stitch. This is 1 and inserting my hook in the same stitch and making the second double crochet in this 8th stitch like this. Yarn over, I am going to the next stitch and making 2 more double crochet in this stitch. This is 1 and this is 2. Yarn over, I am going to the next stitch and making 1 double crochet in this stitch. Like this. Yarn over, I am going to the next stitch and making a half double crochet in this stitch like this. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making another half double crochet in this following stitch like this. We have 2 stitches left. I am inserting my hook in there, making a slip stitch. I am going to the last, inserting my hook in this last stitch, making another slip stitch in this. One side is finished. As you see, this is one side, this is the other side. We finished this one side. I mean like this. We are making 1 chain. Now we are going to turn to this side and we are going to do whatever we made in this side, we are going to do the same. For example, in the last stitch we made slip stitch, we are doing the same thing at the other side. I am inserting my hook in this last stitch and making a slip stitch. And the following stitch, we are making a slip stitch as well, because if you remember, in the last stitch we made slip stitch, and when going up we are doing the same stitches. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, making a half double crochet, because here we made half double crochet. Yarn over, I am going to the following stitch, we are making a half double crochet. I am going to the following stitch, we are making one double crochet. I am going to the following stitch and we are making two double crochet in the stitch, one and two. I am going to the following stitch, making two double crochet, like this. We are in the last stitch and we are going to make two double crochet in this stitch as well. This is one and this is two. And I am inserting my hook at top of the first two chains. I mean here, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. It is finished. It's been like this. I am making one chain and cutting the yarn. It's been like this, dear friends. I am taking a small size hook in my hand, 1.5 millimeters. I'm using small size hooks when hiding the yarn. It is easier. In the back side, I'm hiding the yarn end. Cutting. Hiding the other. A few times I am doing this in order to fix the yarn end well, and I am cutting this as well. The main part is completely finished. Now we are going to make these leaves. For this reason, I'm taking my green yarn in my hand. I am taking my 3 millimeters hook. I am inserting my hook here and fixing this yarn end. Like this. I am making 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inserting my hook in the 4th chain, making a single stitch. Inserting my hook in the following chain, making a single stitch. Inserting my hook in the following chain, making a single stitch, and inserting my hook in the following chain, making a single stitch, and inserting my hook in the last chain and making another single stitch. Inserting my hook in this stitch and making a slip stitch. I am making 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I am inserting my hook in the 5th chain, making a single stitch, going to the following chain, making another single stitch. Like this, we are making single stitches one by one till the end, dear friends. I came to the end. I am inserting my hook and making a slip stitch. I'm going to make another leaf, going to the following stitch. Here you see, inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inserting my hook in the 3rd chain, making a single stitch, going to the following, making another single stitch, going to the last, making another single stitch, and inserting my hook in the stitch that I start the 3rd leaf, and one moment, making a slip stitch in there. The leaves are finished, making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. We made 3 leaves, each has a different size. Now we are hiding the yarn ends. For this reason, taking my small size hook in my hand. Cutting the yarn. Hiding the other yarn end also. Yes, dear friends, we finished our carrot applique like this. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.